Welcome, fellow adventurers, to a journey beyond the ordinary, where the veil between the known and the unknown grows thin. Today, we delve into the 7 most mysterious places on Earth, locations shrouded in enigma, steeped in legend, and filled with secrets yet to be uncovered. From ghostly whispers in ancient ruins to unexplained phenomena that defy the laws of nature, these sites invite us to question the very fabric of our reality. Are you ready to explore the unexplained? Our journey begins in the vast expanse of the North Atlantic Ocean, within an area marked by an invisible triangle connecting Miami, Bermuda, and Puerto Rico. Welcome to the Bermuda Triangle, a region infamous for the mysterious disappearances of ships and aircraft. Since the early 20th century, over 1,000 vessels and aircraft have vanished without a trace. One of the most famous cases is the disappearance of Flight 19, a squadron of 5 U.S. Navy bombers that went missing during a training mission in 1945. Despite extensive search efforts, neither the planes nor their 14 crew members were ever found. Some theorists suggest the presence of magnetic anomalies, rogue waves, or even portals to other dimensions. Yet no scientific explanation fully accounts for the bizarre occurrences within this enigmatic stretch of ocean. Next, we venture to Japan, to the base of the majestic Mount Fuji, where lies the Aokigahara Forest, also known as the Sea of Trees. Despite its serene beauty, this forest holds a dark reputation as the suicide forest. Since the 1950s, hundreds of people have come here to end their lives, drawn by an eerie allure. Locals and visitors report hearing disembodied voices and seeing spectral figures among the trees. The forest's dense canopy and porous lava floor, which absorbs sound, contribute to an unsettling silence that amplifies the sense of isolation and foreboding. Though mental health crises explain many of the deaths, the sheer number of occurrences and the chilling atmosphere of Aokigahara continue to evoke a sense of mystery and dread. From the forests of Japan, we travel to the rolling plains of Wiltshire, England, where the ancient stones of Stonehenge stand in silent sentinel. This prehistoric monument, dating back over 4,000 years, remains one of the world's greatest architectural enigmas. Composed of massive sarsen stones and smaller bluestones, Stonehenge's purpose is still a topic of intense debate. Was it an astronomical calendar, a religious site, or a burial ground? Adding to the mystery is the fact that the bluestones originated from over 150 miles away, a remarkable feat of prehistoric engineering and logistics. Archaeological findings provide clues, but the full story behind Stonehenge's construction and its significance to the ancient peoples who built it remains tantalizingly out of reach. Our next destination takes us to the Caribbean island of Puerto Rico, where Laguna Grande, also known as the bioluminescent bay, glows with an otherworldly light. This phenomenon is caused by dinoflagellates, microscopic organisms that emit light when disturbed. While the science behind the bioluminescence is understood, the bay's extraordinary brightness and the sheer number of these organisms in such a concentrated area remain a marvel. Visitors describe the experience as magical, as if the water is filled with stars, challenging our perception of what is natural and supernatural. Local folklore speaks of the bay as a place of spiritual significance, adding an extra layer of mystery to this natural wonder. Across the vast Pacific, we arrive at Easter Island, or Rapa Nui, home to the colossal stone heads known as moai. These monolithic statues, some weighing up to 82 tons, were carved by the Rapa Nui people between 1400 and 1650 AD. The moai are believed to represent the islanders' ancestors, but the techniques used to transport and erect these massive figures remain a subject of intrigue. Some theories suggest the use of wooden sledges, while others propose a walking method using ropes and human coordination. Adding to the mystery is the abrupt halt in the moai's construction and the subsequent decline of the Rapa Nui civilization, possibly due to environmental factors or internal conflict. The island's isolation only deepens the enigma surrounding these silent sentinels. Onward to the arid plains of southern Peru, where the Nazca lines stretch across the desert floor. These geoglyphs, depicting animals, plants, and geometric shapes, are so large they can only be fully appreciated from the air. Created by the Nazca culture between 500 BC and 500 AD, the purpose of these lines remains speculative. Some believe they were astronomical markers or part of a religious pilgrimage. Others suggest they were designed to be seen by deities from the sky. Despite extensive study, the method of their creation and their exact significance remain one of archaeology's most enduring puzzles. Our final stop brings us to the United States, to a remote ranch in Utah known as Skinwalker Ranch. This 480-acre property is infamous for reports of paranormal activity and UFO sightings. The ranch's history is steeped in Native American legend, with tales of malevolent shape-shifting beings known as skinwalkers. Since the 1990s, numerous reports of strange lights, unexplained animal mutilations, and encounters with unknown creatures have emerged from this area. Scientific investigations have been inconclusive, adding to the ranch's reputation as a hotspot for the unexplained. Whether one believes in the paranormal or not, the accounts from Skinwalker Ranch challenge our understanding of reality and the boundaries between myth and fact. Our journey begins in the heart of the Arabian Desert, where an ancient and peculiar rock formation known as Al-Nazla stands as if sliced cleanly in half by a laser. Located in Saudi Arabia's Tema Oasis, this sandstone boulder, balanced precariously on twin pedestals, features a strikingly straight split that has baffled geologists and archaeologists alike. Theories about its origin range from natural geological processes to ancient human intervention, yet no definitive explanation exists. The precise cut and the rock's age-old carvings hint at a sophisticated knowledge lost to time, making Al-Nazla one of the desert's most enigmatic wonders. Next, we journey to the Sahara Desert, where the Eye of the Sahara, or the Rishat structure, gazes up at the sky like a colossal ancient bullseye. Spanning over 40 kilometers in diameter, this circular geological formation is visible from space, resembling an enormous target etched into the Earth's surface. Initially thought to be an impact crater, scientists now believe the Eye of the Sahara is a deeply eroded geological dome. The formation's precise origins remain a subject of debate, and some even speculate it could be the remnants of the lost city of Atlantis. The sheer scale and mystery of the Eye of the Sahara continue to captivate explorers and researchers. From the scorching sands of the Sahara, we travel to the vast waters of the Pacific Ocean, where the Devil's Sea, also known as the Dragon's Triangle, challenges the Bermuda Triangle in its notoriety. Located off the coast of Japan, this area is infamous for the mysterious disappearances of ships and aircraft. Throughout history, tales of lost vessels, vanished crews, and strange phenomena have emerged from the Dragon's Triangle. Some theorize underwater volcanoes and magnetic anomalies as potential causes, while others suggest more supernatural explanations. Despite numerous investigations, the Devil's Sea remains one of the ocean's most enigmatic and perilous regions. From the Caribbean, we fly to the Philippines, to the island of Bohol, where the Chocolate Hills present a unique geological mystery. Comprising over 1,200 symmetrical mounds, these hills turn brown in the dry season, resembling rows of chocolate drops. Geologists theorize that the hills are the result of the erosion of ancient coral deposits, yet the exact process remains unclear. Local legends offer more romantic explanations, such as the tears of a giant or the remnants of a titanic battle. The Chocolate Hills' uniform shape and number continue to intrigue both scientists and tourists. Next, we travel to Norway, where the sky itself becomes a canvas for the mysterious and mesmerizing northern lights, or aurora borealis. Best viewed from the remote areas of Tromsø and Svalbard, these dancing lights are caused by charged particles from the sun interacting with the Earth's magnetic field. While the scientific explanation is well understood, the sheer beauty and unpredictability of the auroras give them an otherworldly quality. Ancient Norse myths spoke of the lights as reflections from the shields of Valkyries, and even today, the northern lights inspire awe and wonder, reminding us of the magic that still exists in our world. And so, our journey through the world's most mysterious places draws to a close. These 7 locations, each with their own secrets and stories, remind us of the vastness of our world and the mysteries it holds. Whether rooted in legend, nature, or the unexplained, these places invite us to keep searching, keep questioning, and never stop exploring. Thank you for joining us on this adventure. Until next time, stay curious and keep seeking the unknown. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel.